If your business has an Instagram account, then you'll know that you can only have one link in your bio. This can be pretty restrictive, just as there's many links that you might want to direct your audience to. As you can see here on our Instagram, we have a Linktree. So if we just click on that, it takes you here. And within Linktree, you can add your profile picture, your name, links, and these social buttons. So as an example, we can click on this link here, and it takes you directly to our website. So to use Linktree, you'd first want to go to their website. You can either log in or sign up at the top there. As we already have our account, we have links here, but this would be blank if you just created your account. And to add a new link, you just click the Add a New Link button at the top. To add a link, you'd first want to add your title. This is what shows up in the button when they see it. Then next, you'd want to add your URL. This is where the viewer will be redirected to once they click on that button. Any links that you add in this area will show up just like these ones here. But at the bottom, we also have social icons. So to add a social icon, you first go into settings. In settings, if you look at the menu on the left, you can click down to social icons. You click on add icon and then you choose the icon that you want, and there's lots and lots to choose from. Once you choose yours, you would simply put in your username. As we're using the free version of Linktree, things are a little bit more limited than if you're paying for it, but it's still very, very easy to get set up and does exactly what we need it to do, which is to give links to our website and our social media all in one place in one link. The one issue with Linktree is that it can affect your SEO a little bit depending on how you're using it. It can affect your SEO because you're not putting your own link in the bio. What you're doing is you're linking to a completely separate page that just has links to then take people to your pages. Once you've taken all this into account, you can decide whether Linktree is a good thing for you or not. But for us, it just makes things a little bit easier to get our message across to our audience.